'cause we met like strangers in the night. Don't tell me it's over now.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I've got so much cleaning motivation, restocking, organizing, and packing to share with you today. In just a few days, we will be leaving for a full month of travel, and whenever we are away from the house for an extended period of time, I always like to make sure that absolutely everything is cleaned and in order before we go. I like to start by washing all of our bedding because who wants to come home to dirty, stinking sheets? I'm not just washing the sheets though, I'm also grabbing comforters, blankets, and all of the covers off of our throw pillows to get those washing on a sanitized setting. I make sure to do this in all of our bedrooms as well as the main living spaces of our home, but you'll only see me wash the bedding from our master bedroom in today's video just because I didn't want it to feel too redundant, and also the sanitized setting takes like 2 hours per load, so I was still washing blankets late into the night. Give this video a thumbs up if you also make sure to sanitize all of your bedding before you leave for vacation, because fresh, clean sheets are the best welcome home you can give yourself. I also like to sanitize all of our towels, washcloths, and hand towels before we leave, so that's what you're seeing me pull out of the dryer now. I will fold those and put them away a little bit later, but I just wanted to give you guys an update. A few months ago, I completely reorganized our linen closet, and when I did that, I decluttered all of our old towels and replaced them with these white ones, and I was a little bit hesitant to do that, but I love them. They are so easy to keep clean. I bleach them with every single cycle, and they are still looking like brand new. Off to the right of the screen, you can see a little glimpse into our new family room, playroom area. I did a full makeover in that space and I love the way that it turned out. But while the room was empty, I took advantage and deep cleaned all of the carpets. So I just have all of the parts to my carpet cleaner sitting in the sink to dry. I need to empty those out, and then I'm going to be refilling all of our favorite Jaws cleaners. My husband recently requested that I order refills for all of our Jaws cleaners, and to be honest, it kind of caught me off guard because I assumed he didn't even notice what types of products we have in our cleaning cabinet. I was curious to know what he loves about them, and he shared with me that he enjoys the refill, reload, reuse system, and especially appreciates that everything is color-coded, which simplifies the cleaning process and makes it an overall more enjoyable experience for him. Derek is definitely an equal partner when it comes to managing housework, and I am so thankful for that. So of course I wanted to make sure that we were fully stocked with his favorite Jaws system. Jaws is on a mission to stop shipping water and change the way the world cleans using their eco-friendly cleaning system, which reduces single-use plastic bottles, features 6 EPA Safe for Choice formulas, and saves 83% of plastic versus traditional spray cleaners. Jaws products are sold in complete home cleaning kits or individual starter kits that include reusable spray bottles and child-resistant refill pods. When your bottle is empty, you simply refill with water to the fill line, insert your refill pod, and twist on the sprayer to release the concentrate and get back to cleaning. My favorites are the glass cleaner because it's ammonia-free and can be used on electronic screens, but I also really love the shower cleaners because the foaming formula is highly effective but also non-toxic, so I feel totally safe using it on our tub and even our children's water toys in between baths. Derek loves the kitchen cleaner the most. He says it smells heavenly and can be used on nearly every surface in the kitchen, including our stainless steel appliances, which makes his daily chores way more manageable. In addition to all of their specialized formulas for more targeted cleaning, Jaws also offers a multi-purpose spray that's safe for all hard, non-porous surfaces, and a disinfectant cleaner that kills 99.9% of viruses and bacteria. I have partnered with Jaws for today's video to offer you a special discount. You can save 25% on your Jaws order when you click the link in my description box and use code LOVINGLIFE at checkout. So if you've been wanting to try out our favorite Jaws cleaning products, use code LOVINGLIFE to save 25% off your order. Thank you so much to Jaws for offering this special discount to my viewers, sponsoring today's video, and for creating a system that makes my husband eager to clean with me. I just had to share this clip with you because I find it so satisfying. I really love a fully stocked, organized space. It is definitely my favorite part of homemaking.
We've been through a lot, holding hands while screaming at each other. And I don't know how to stop, but I still love you like I do. It breaks my heart, no text, no calls from you. It's like you could shake this off, but you're not that tough with me. So run away with me, come home with me tonight. Run away with me, it'd be worth the time. Run away with me, I made you feel alright. Run away with me, and I'll be good this time around. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time. Don't say we're drifting apart, I can't stand to see you with another. Oh, I know I once broke your heart, but I still love you like I do. Love you like I do. Oh, it breaks your heart. No text, no calls from me. I thought I could shake this off, but I'm not that tough with you. So run away with me, come home with me tonight. Run away with me, it'd be worth the time. Run away with me, I'll make you feel alright. Run away with me, and I'll be good this time around. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time. Run away with me, come home with me tonight. Run away with me, it'd be worth the time. Run away with me, I made you feel alright. Run away with me, and I'll be good this time around.
We both know it's too late, but I think you already know. 'Cause it shows that every time you're around, I try to stay on the low. But it grows, that crazy feeling that I want you here with me. I wanna push it on down, but it will not leave. It's like I'm losing my mind, turning wrong into right. I try to keep you away, but somehow, baby, you're still pulling me in, pulling me in. I'm like a moth to a flame, I should've known better, but you're pulling me in, pulling me in. There's something in those hazel eyes, there's something that I cannot fight. I try to keep you away, but somehow, baby, It's like I'm stuck in reverse, crashing back into you. What's the use? I wish that I could unlearn all the things you would do. Let me lose.
I also wanted to change out our wallflower plugins, so I grabbed these ones. They are the Endless Weekend scent, and the fragrance notes are fresh summer mandarin, sun-kissed magnolia, and blue coconut water. These smell amazing. They are the perfect summer scent to come home to.
I try to keep you away, but somehow, baby, you're still pulling me in, pulling me in. I'm like a moth to a flame, I should've known better, but you're pulling me in, pulling me in. There's something in those hazel eyes, there's something that I cannot fight. I try to keep you away, but somehow, baby, you're still pulling me in, pulling me in. The harder we fight, we go deeper. It's only a part, we are weaker, so what are we waiting for? I try to keep you away, but somehow, baby, you're still pulling me in, pulling me in. I'm like a moth to a flame, I should've known better, but you're pulling me in, pulling me in. There's something in those hazel eyes, there's something that I cannot fight. I try to keep you away, but somehow, baby, you're still pulling me in, pulling me in.
Once I was finished folding our clothes, I am going to start packing. Every single time we travel, Derek and I share one larger suitcase, and then our girls, Kinsley and Sawyer, share one smaller kid-sized suitcase. This just helps tremendously with the comfort of our travel because we do drive almost every time. We're in the car for long periods of time, and I don't want to overload and overstuff the car with a bunch of luggage and make it cramped and uncomfortable while we are driving for these long distances. I also always make sure to book an Airbnb or any kind of travel stay that includes a washer and dryer that is easily accessible. That way I can make sure I'm staying on top of the laundry, we all have clean clothes, but we don't have to overpack. This is probably my number one travel tip. Whether you are driving or flying, it can save you so much space, so much money if you just make sure that you have access to a washer and dryer. And luckily for me, everywhere we are traveling this time is going to have pretty hot weather, so I essentially just needed to pull out all of our shorts and tank tops and a couple of bathing suits, and that's what we are going to be packing. I don't have to worry about stuffing in any hoodies or sweaters, jeans, anything bulky or heavy like that. Now, of course, I'm okay with everything that I am packing because these are my clothes, but with Derek's things, I'm pulling out all of his shorts, his bathing suits, and a lot of t-shirts, and then just getting that into the suitcase to make sure that it will all fit nicely. The suitcase will zip with no problem, and then later on in the evening, I'll sit down with him and make sure that I have everything packed that he was wanting to bring with him and that I didn't include anything that he wanted to leave behind. I found this shelf in the clearance aisle at HomeGoods and thought that it would work perfectly in Sawyer's room to use as a nightstand. It totally fits in with the aesthetic here, and I really love the little drawers because we do use her nightstands kind of as a dresser to hold all of her clothes. But they only had one at our local HomeGoods, so we actually went to a few different stores to try to find another one, and we lucked out finding the exact same one at a home since, so we brought that home and I still hadn't switched everything out. I'm just going to do that really quickly since I am going to be packing for her as well. Just getting all of her clothes fit into these drawers nicely and then taking some time to choose which ones we would want to bring with us on our trip, pull out all of her summer clothes from her closet that was being stored away, and just sorting through everything to make sure that she will have all season appropriate clothing options in her little nightstand drawers.
I sat down by the ocean. Is that tears that I feel? Fill up with emotions. Could I taste them for real? Longing for you, oh, but I can't get back. What can I do, oh, when your train is gone? I don't wanna go back, don't wanna go back. If you are not with me, hey, do you read me? Go back to where we came from. If my hands are empty, hey, do you read me? Go back. I don't wanna go alone. Go back. If you are not with me, hey, do you read me? I know you want the best for me. Your intentions are good. I walk back to my history, into my old neighborhood. Longing for you, oh, but I can't get back. What can I do, oh, when your train is gone? I don't wanna go back, don't wanna go back. If you are not with me, hey, do you read me? Go back to where we came from. If my hands are empty, hey, do you read me? Go back. I don't wanna go alone. Go back. If you are not with me, hey, do you read me?
Of course, I also needed to make sure that the bathroom is thoroughly cleaned before we leave the house. It would be so gross to come back to a dirty bathroom, so I'm just going to refill our shower and bathroom cleaners from Jaws and use these to wipe down literally every single surface in here. I did clean out the shower, the tub, the spray nozzles, and the bath toys, but you'll only see clips of me doing the vanity and the toilet just because the overhead light in the bathroom, the bulb burned out while I was filming the rest of this video and I didn't realize it. So there just wasn't enough lighting for me to film that, but I did make sure to get it done.
Being in love when it's hurting does never add up to peace. You start to wonder who's playing. Play me, play who? Lucky I'm stronger than ever. Got the arrangement to leave. You can go on and collect some and reason me. Abandoning is a hard word to use, but it's true. So challenging life with you, but I'm all through. Gone away and gone for good. I did everything I could, but you can't remember me. Gone away and gone for good. I did everything I should, but you can't remember.
Restocking our toiletries and getting some fresh towels hung up on the towel rack is going to wrap up today's video. I hope that you all enjoyed coming along with me to get my house in order before we leave for a full month of travel. I am so excited for this vacation. We're going to be visiting with a lot of YouTube friends and also Disney World. I will be vlogging some of that for Patreon, so if you don't currently have a Patreon membership, make sure you sign up. The link is in my description box, along with that link for Jaws and the coupon code LOVINGLIFE to save 25% off of your Jaws order. Thank you once again to Jaws for sponsoring today's video. Thank you guys for choosing to spend your time here with me, and I will see you all in the next one.
The road is